Hey guys, this is Bruce. Welcome to ConvoCourses, where we talk about cybersecurity and GRC topics. And today we have a special guest. It's John, aka Professor Black Ops. I've been wanting to talk to him for a while here, and actually is Larry who put me on to him. So thanks, special shout out to Larry, man. Thank you so much because I've been watching this stuff. I'm like, damn, this is really good.
Appreciate it. I appreciate it.
I started getting into the cloud stuff, and then that's what John talks about. So, John, tell us a little bit about yourself, your journey into cybersecurity and cloud.
Long story short, I'm old, man. I got my bachelor's degree in computer science in 1990. I had my first internship in 1988 doing JCL COBOL. So I've been in the game. So I actually started out because in the old days, cybersecurity was more of an apprenticeship, right? So I was a developer, system analyst, web admin, DBA. Then I got into security. I kind of like it was you. I was consulting at DoD for a while. Then they brought some guys from their Utah data center to train us in security. Then also after that, I worked for the state of Indiana doing IRS Pub 1075. So that's my 2-minute elevator speech. So that's kind of how I got into it, more of the traditional way. So
Okay, I hear you. Yeah, I'm familiar with the DoD track there because that's mainly what I've been doing in the past. And what's your day to day look like when you're on the job doing cloud and cybersecurity stuff?
the crazy thing is, so my day could be RFPs, RFI, because the company, I'm talking about different companies. I work for companies that bid on work and got government work. So you got to look from them from a security requirement. DPA is data process agreement, the legal part of that. And two, reviewing the RFPs for NIST, HIPAA, high trust. Can our company meet those services? And kind of like you, I do a standard SSP, which is about 1,100 pages some days. Other days, I'm reviewing security architecture from other companies that we have to connect to because every vendor's in the cloud. So can that cloud vendor meet the security level we need? Because obviously you from DoD, so you can do NIST, STIGs. That's one of my favorite things that people hate. STIGs. Now CMC's out there, so you got to make sure your vendors are at the same security level of you. So that's coming to some of the high level stuff I do, and I do a ton of internal assessments. Are our developers doing the right thing? Audits, we got to make sure our policies and procedures up to date, standard SOPs, working with our infrastructure team because we got stuff in the cloud. Are they configuring it right? So when we get audited, we can pass. So that's kind of how the cloud comes into it at integrating the cloud into assessment. So